Today, I will show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password in your computer. This demonstration will be done in a Windows 11 Pro computer, but you can do the same thing in Windows 10 and Windows 7 as well, right? So let's jump into it. First thing, you need to locate the Wi-Fi icon here on the taskbar. Once you locate it, put your mouse on top of it, right click. In Windows 11, it says Network and Internet Settings. Windows 10 will be something similar, so click on it and open it up. So here, drill down to Advanced Network Settings, and then again to Related Settings, More Network Adapter Options. So once you get here, you'll need to concentrate in the one with the little bars. Forget about these here because this one is Bluetooth, as you can see here. This one has a little cable, so that's a cable connection. This one is also a network cable connection as well. So concentrate on this one. I just named it Wi-Fi. You can rename it if you want. You can put it whatever name you want. I just put it Wi-Fi for a better understanding. So all you need to do is right click on it and select the status, and then here select wireless properties. And in the wireless property, there's two tabs, connection and security. Click on security and click on the show characters. I'm not going to do it because I will reveal my password. Once you do that, you will reveal your password, and that's the end of it. We have now reached the end of this tutorial. If you found it useful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, we read all of your comments and we're here to help you with any computer issue you may encounter. Thank you.